Hi guys, I recorded this video because many people don't know how to set up the file. It's just your local file. It can be TXT or CSV or Excel. So this is for Gmail, Google, account, password, and recovery. So we go to my VPS. I will run the software in my VPS. So this is a software JarveePro. We go to accounts. We go to YouTube. Let's add a category name. I need to group each one. So it's 2025, July 13. Alright, now we go to import. We will import from a file. It's this one. So the first column, let's go, we choose account. This is our account, we choose first column 1. Password column 2. And column 3 is recovery mail email column 3. Then okay. So 10 accounts were imported. Now we will go to start to check the accounts. So that's how we add a group and import bulk accounts with JarveePro. And then we will normalize the accounts, check the account status, like how many subscribers we have, etc. It only opened the 3 browsers because I say that 3 from my settings it's like 3 thread max. Okay, we go back to accounts. So 3 are checking at once. It goes to sign up. It's a bit slow in this VPS. It can be faster if you have a better configuration. So it auto enter the account password, auto confirm the recovery email one by one or all at once. Now we're logged in. Some other steps. We just click skip or cancel, then go back to YouTube.